Want to wow everyone in your next meeting? Or show off your vacation photos on your TV but don't know how? If you're an iPhone user, screen sharing is your secret weapon, and it's easier than you think. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Whether you're presenting, binge-watching content with friends, or collaborating for work, sharing your iPhone screen makes everything more interactive, dynamic, and easy. It's all thanks to Apple's AirPlay and Screen Mirroring features. First, make sure your iPhone and Apple TV or any AirPlay-compatible device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner if you've got Face ID, or swipe up from the bottom on Touch ID models to open the control center. Look for the screen mirroring icon, which looks like two overlapping rectangles. Can't see it? Don't panic. Press and hold on the control center, tap Add a Control, and it'll appear. Once you've got the icon, tap it, and your connected devices will pop up in a list. Choose your Apple TV or AirPlay device, and when connected, enter the 4-digit code displayed on your device. Just like that, your iPhone screen will appear on the big screen, letting everyone see exactly what you want to share. Perfect for showing off a new app, walking someone through tech issues, or making your presentations pop without carrying extra devices. Android users have similar features, but iPhone's AirPlay integration makes it much smoother. With this simple trick, you can instantly become the hero of any meeting, family gathering, or movie night. Sharing your screen has never been easier or more impressive. Are you ready to share and leave everyone staring at your screen in awe? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.